It gives me great honor to speak on behalf of my class, the class of 2017. Thank you all for this true privilege. Congratulations to K11 batch, we did it. Today marks the achievement of a milestone in our journey. But remember, a milestone never shows the distance that we have already traveled. It always shows the distance that is to be traveled. We would not have been here today had it not been for the tireless efforts and dedication of all those who made this day possible. Thank you to our dearest Osmania Medical College, faculty and staff, postgraduates, and last but not the least, our dear friends and family for their unconditional support in our journey and transforming our dreams into realities, transforming us from students into clinicians. As I woke up today morning, I asked myself, how do I feel today? Do I feel happy? Do I feel sad? Or perhaps do I feel a bit relaxed? But predominantly, I felt hopeful. Today, a batch of 200 young men and women are becoming doctors and beginning their journey. So yes, I felt hopeful. Today, a 5.5-year journey comes to an end and a lifetime of promise to excellence, commitment, and service begins. It's moments like this that makes our long journey worthwhile while seeing the proud faces of our parents. It's moments like this that we will cherish in our minds, memories, and hearts and show it to the world that yes, we have done it. I'm sure we all are waiting to update our Facebook pages with today's pictures. We mastered our clinical skills with the guidance of our faculty and physicians as they dedicated their time, patience, and energy for us. We learned anatomy with the grace of human beings who donated their body for the advancement of science. We learned physical examination with the tolerance of the patients as we fumbled through our first attempts, pretending to know what we are doing. We spent sleepless nights, mental and emotional strain, and an avalanche of requirements to become who we are today. However, the hard work is over. But I'm sorry to tell you, but it's going to be 10 times as harder, so congratulations. We've seen ourselves in the best and our worst. We've seen ourselves mature and grow tremendously as individuals. We discovered that we are home to incredible talents and skills with 200 young doctors who behind the textbooks and the white coats are incredibly talented. They are dancers, athletes, filmmakers, researchers, debaters, photographers, actors, leaders, and whatnot. We learn the qualities of acceptance, tolerance, adaptability, and most importantly, true compassion and empathy, which I think are the most important key for being a doctor. We are the future doctors, the medical educationalists, researchers, medical technologists, healthcare managers, policymakers, and leaders who will ensure that future switches from being gloomy to a promise, not just for the privileged, but for everybody. Friends, the day has come. The day when we need to be the true warriors in the care of the patient. Let's not be just doctors, but true healers. Every thank you we receive is a permanent badge of honor. Every smile we draw on a hopeless face makes the world a better place. From now on, let's not blame the system. Let's not blame the mishaps of the system as we have become a part of it. We must strive harder to make the system a better place, and with every step, we must remain true to our profession and generate new knowledge and pass it on to our younger generations who will fill the seats which once we filled. As of today, the torch has been passed on to us, and I'm ever so certain that it has been placed in the right hands. Remembering Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, who urged us to create a page for ourselves in the history. Hope we all do that and keep his name high. Thank you all. Thank you.